What's up, YouTube? It's Bullseye Nate 231. I'm back with this 2003 Toyota 4Runner. So I just want to talk a little bit about what's going on with it today. So maybe you have a problem with your door locks jamming in your 4Runner. Okay, this is the passenger door. So I'm gonna hit the lock button here. You see the lock? The lock is not moving. You have to work the lock manually. So the lock is jamming. You know, people get in your car, you have to unlock it for them. They don't lock your car when they get out, and then you shut the door. You lock the door, and it won't do anything. I'm pushing the lock. It won't do anything because that door is still open. So normally it would beep. So if this door is locked, it's in the lock position. Door is locked, but now I can't get back in on this side, so we open the door unless I manually open the door, and then you have to reach through from another side or from the driver's side. Then the lock's working fine, and it's like, okay, so this is a problem because not only is the car being left open, you know, the alarm won't be set because they're pushing the button. You're pushing the button and it's, you know, not locking the vehicle. So the alarm's not going to sound if somebody were to break in and, you know, try to take something. So the problem is actually the door lock actuator. Now the door lock actuator is located right here. You see these three bolts or screws. So that's what's going to have to be replaced to stop this vehicle from jamming. So this is what it looks like. This is the new one. And so basically this has got to be changed. The only way to change it is to take the whole door apart and replace the actuator. Okay, there's some cables in there, there's some wires and stuff. I'm gonna take the whole thing apart and do a step-by-step video. I'm gonna drop it in the link in the description below. So y'all be sure and check that video out. I hope this helps you solve your problems with your locks jamming on your 4Runner or any Toyota for that matter, Sequoia, Corolla. It's a pretty common problem that locks these actuators jam. So I hope this video is helpful. Check out the link in the description below for the video, a step-by-step how to replace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment with any questions you may have, and rate this video.